Some ladies saw me post a very low price hair. The price is very low. They never seen before from me, and we asked me, "Hey, Hyman, is this the AliExpress quality hair price?" And no, Hyman don't sell AliExpress quality hair. We only need your very high quality male single donor virgin hair and celebrity hair. Okay, I just want to tell you guys, don't misunderstand me. This hair is the hair I'm helping some customers to arrange because they have several shops. They generate the money very quick. They need to sell the hair very quick, so they need my help. So this is the lens. This one. So don't be surprised and don't misunderstand me. This is not the main type of quality hair I'm selling. This is the hair I'm helping some big wholesale clients because they have several shops. They need to generate the money very quick because they have lower budget clients. So please understand me this one. And always you go to watch my YouTube video, the main type of hair I'm selling on the YouTube video. You understand what type of quality hair I'm selling. It's still not bad. I think they can sell very quick. It's not bad. It's still good. This hair can color to 27. Can color to 27 is still. But if you know me very long times, you will know this is not a hair for you guys. You are my long time fans on YouTube, on internet. You know this is not a type of quality for you. As long as you have lower budget clients, you can ask me about this hair. If you don't have, don't ask me for this hair because it's very low price. They have several shops to generate money very quick. My long-time clients, this is not the hair for you. Okay, you know I always sell the male single donor virgin hair and the celebrity hair. This one is for some big clients. They have several shops to generate money very quick. This one, still good. 27 color, they can still color to 27. Okay, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Just don't misunderstand me, okay?